Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by gathering the items to compress. In Finder, select Files and Folders with Command or Shift and check Free Disk Space. Large archives need room. Once done, close apps that might lock files, make sure permissions allow read access, and choose where the final. Zip will live desktop or a project folder. You're initiating compression immediately, don't pause on theory. This prepares the system so the next steps run quickly and without errors. Now create the archive, right-click the selection and pick Compress. Finder shows a progress indicator. If many items, it may take minutes. While it runs, avoid editing the source files. Interruption can corrupt the zip. Once finished, Finder produces archive, zip, or named file. If one item, you can immediately rename it or drag it to another folder. This step explains how compression works in place and why moving or renaming afterward keeps your original files unchanged. Finish by verifying the archive. Double-click to reveal contents or right-click and choose Get Info to confirm size. If you need customization, recursion, excluding files or passwords, use Terminal, CD to folder, then zip our name. Zip items because Terminal gives more control. If compression fails, check file permissions and disk space or retry after ejecting external drives. If a file is locked, unlock it first. These checks resolve most problems quickly so you can share or store the zip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.